In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing add to story button on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it and it helps get this video to more people. So I'm showing you the full guide of this fix because Instagram have enrolled a brand new update and I'm showing you the brand new way for doing this and adding posts to your story. So make sure you watch this video right until the end, and without any further ado, let's go and get into this. I'm now on my phone and let's go and continue with this tutorial. So just a quick note, this tutorial is going to work on any device as long as you've got Instagram. Now as I did say in the intro, Instagram have rolled out a brand new update about how you can share posts on your story. For example, if we come in Instagram and I go and click on this picture here, and I go and click on the paper aeroplane logo, which looks like an arrow, and then I go and click on it, it says here about want to add a post to your story, create a new story and try the reshare sticker that we're testing. So I'm going to go and show you exactly how to do that. So come back to your home page. So I'm now on my home page, I'm going to swipe across as you would usually do, and here is my camera. So I'm going to take a quick picture like so, and then we need to go and get the reshare sticker. To get that, click on the sticker in the top of the bar, click there, so I've got a smiley face with a peel, click there, and then you can simply go and click search, and you want to go and simply search for reshare. So type in reshare like so, and then we have this picture here, and it's a sticker, so click on it, and then we can go and choose which post we'd actually like to go and share. So I could go and click on this one here, say, and then that's literally it. We can now go and position it and go and post it on our story and add some text as usual, as like say hi. You can literally do anything as usual, but yeah, this is just a brand new update Instagram have done. That's literally it, guys. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.